Virtual worlds have the ability to create communities and foster smart crowds in ways never seen before on the internet. We'll briefly look at 4 advantages, including maintaining optimal crowd conditions, increasing the level of collaboration, conveying a sense of ownership, and understanding the data. First, virtual worlds allow for large-scale interactions while doing a better job ensuring everyone is participating. It's relatively easy to tell when someone isn't doing their part. In case you're wondering, AFK stands for away from keyboard. Next, virtual worlds allow groups to work together towards a common goal with a higher bandwidth than their 2D technological counterparts. In this example, a group is building a house from a blueprint. Note that there is little time lost changing between CAD programs, instant messaging, file sharing, web cameras, and the final product. In fact, virtual worlds are reaching the point where they bring some of the advantages of meeting face-to-face back into a scalable internet-based solution. Virtual worlds also increase the sense of personal ownership for participants. Similar to wikis, virtual worlds provide a framework for collaborative design, saving revisions as part of the history. By empowering individuals to take a common design in personalized directions, virtual worlds convey a sense of personal ownership of a common goal. Finally, as part of Obama's Open Government Initiative, there is a push to publish vast amounts of government data and open standards for public consumption. Everything from census to climate data could soon be online in an easy-to-use format. Virtual worlds offer capabilities to take that data and visualize it in immersive and easily understandable fashions. As an example, have you considered what would happen if NOAA were to ask a large enough segment of its customers to take a guess about tomorrow's weather? What if we offered incentives for the closest predictions and created a type of futures exchange around weather modeling? Under the right conditions, could we improve our scientific understanding by taking into account the combined input of our social network? At the same time, could we do a better job convincing humanity that understanding the weather and climate is important? NOAA is also working on a massively multiplayer simulation where each user controls a small planet. A player invests resources in energy, agriculture, production, and other areas, seeing how their choices affect the quality of life on their planet. The goal is to teach users about the complexity of the trade-offs involved in sustainable living. Each world is networked via a common user interface with other players to encourage competition and to identify the best solutions. Who knows? By analyzing the successful game choices and applying them to our reality, perhaps we can find the best path forward for planet Earth.